Well, good evening, Ozarks. I'm recording this about 7 minutes after 11 p.m., so take that into consideration when and if you get to see this. A little quick severe weather update. This is not an out-of-hand situation here, but we do have a couple of thunderstorms that have kicked up their heels. Let me put this in motion, give you the general perspective. Line of storms moved through eastern Missouri, left a cool air boundary behind, and is now helping to regenerate thunderstorms in the wake of that boundary and also north of it. So here's what I mean. Basically, this is the boundary right here, and then these storms are mostly behind that boundary and therefore by definition somewhat more harmless. This storm right here probably is pretty close to being in front and in the warm and unstable air, and that is severe thunderstorm warned, as you can see by the yellow outline. There's also kind of a renegade cell back here in Benton County that is both severe thunderstorm warned and flash flood warned. And so let me some of these features. So here's the basically the Pulaski County storm, and just kind of watching this activity slide in this direction. Locally heavy rain, some pretty good lightning, and a gust of wind to 60 is not impossible with that storm. And then this activity up here around Warsaw and areas west of there. This is particularly troublesome because this area right here is radar estimated to have already received possibly 2 to 3 inches of rain, and it's still raining there. So that's the reason why the flash flood warning, which is this area shaded here in green, is in effect for that area. So watch out up there. And then the last thing I'll show you is that this outlined area here in sort of this pink line, I'll draw it for you. That's this right here. This is where the Storm Prediction Center was contemplating, watching to see if a watch needs to be issued for this. They're thinking about 20% chance of that happening. Not a very good chance, and they're going to monitor the trends. That's where these storms are anticipated to be sliding here tonight. If they develop in this area, they'll continue on this path. So Springfield's right here. You can kind of see who would be getting this. And by the way, if you're ever curious about that here in Springfield and you see a flash of light that looks like lightning, but there are no storms around, that is the definition of heat lightning. It's not a special kind of lightning, it's just lightning at a distance. And those storms right there are the storms producing the flash of light. I'll keep monitoring this throughout the night. Have a good one.